All right, if I look here at this one, I'm going to verify my answer on the calculator as well. But this just says which equation best represents line M. If I look at line M, everything's in y equals mx plus b form. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to come down here and I'm going to look for my y-intercept to b, which is -4. Come over here. Now they all have the same y-intercept to b at -4. Now I'm going to go look at my slope. My slope is m, and my slope is my change in y over my change in x. So it's my rise over my run. If I look, I'm going to look for another whole point, and it looks like it's right here with up 1, right 3. So it looks like my slope is rising 1 for every 3 that it runs. I'm going to come over here, and I'm going to match that. It looks like it's letter C. A and B could be canceled out immediately if you just take a step back and look at the line and realize that the slope is positive. The slope is going upward. So A and B should have been eliminated right away. C and D should have been the ones, and the only thing that are different with C and D are their slopes are reversed. So if a kid gets change in x over change in y by accident. A good check step is to go over to the calculator and in your y equals button, clear everything out, and type in everything that you just put, parentheses 1 divided by 3, close parentheses x, minus 4. And I'm going to go to my graph, and all I'm going to do is I'm going to look and make sure that it graphs almost exactly the same. And I say almost because this graph here on your calculator and this graph here on the real SOL, the intervals are just a little bit different. See, your x values are spaced out just a little bit further. So you're not going to see an exact replica there unless you change some settings, which I'm not going to go into. Okay, if I go to my y equals again, and I just look at the one that was wrong, but also the other positive slope, 3x minus 4, and I graph that as well. I'm just going to show you it's going to be a pretty steep increase up because it is the reciprocal. So rise 3, run 1. So C is our right answer.